trying to be spiritual.
I'm trying to sleep.
What?
Tommy's interfering with the Holy Ghost in our...
I'm making a video.
Michelle said you're interfering with the Holy Ghost in our room. What?
No, what?
She said that sucks. Holy Ghost is gonna come eat you.
The Holy Ghost is gonna come eat you. This is going on YouTube, baby.
My stomach hurts. I can't handle this. I'm gonna throw up.
I have not taken a picture of you.
You're a liar. You're recording me.
I know, and it's going on YouTube.
No! Charlie!
What's that it?
Bite my finger. Ow! You bit my finger, Charlie.
It's a Charlie that hit. My eyes were.
Tiff is recording me. It's all your fault.
He sounds very manly.
I'm gonna get off, okay?
No.
Just need a break first. I'll put on speaker.
Did he hang out?
No, I'll just put on speaker. I put you on speaker. That means no cuss words, Bradley. Holy Ghost will really eat you then.
Such an idiot. Did you see that face?
I really died. I couldn't move. If I hung up, you wouldn't even notice because I'm not even talking. What?